thank you very much. We now ask our finalists. This award recognizes outstanding local government units that have been able to implement effective and innovative public health programs that address key needs in their communities. We received entries from all over the Philippines, from of course Luzon, Metro Manila, Visayas, Mindanao, and then we were able to screen them. We also conducted some checks na hindi nyo alam, na may mga tinawagan din kami doon sa mga areas ninyo to actually verify some information.
We're here now to finally recognize your health initiatives. Ano ba yung mga health initiatives? This is out of the box programs that you have to address the health requirements of your LGU. Ika nga ay may programa talaga naman ng ating DOH. Marami tayo niyan. At ang DILG, marami din. But on this particular award-giving program, we are looking for that particular program which is not within the realm of what we call the regular programs of the government. So yung kino-customize baga ninyo sa inyong kanya-kanyang LGU.
The issue of public health is a silent crisis that deserves more attention, especially from our local government officials. When our barangay captains, our mayors, and our governors want to get things done, even the impossible becomes possible. And in these extraordinary times, we need heroes like our enlightened local chief executives who are committed in getting things done, who do not mind setting politics aside and focus on helping those who need help the most. There is no better time than today to do more and to do better for our people.